Assalamu alaikum. Now, having studied the introduction to pointers and how to dereference the pointer, we are going to make a program which allows us to return two values or more than two values in a function without really returning any value. It looks funny though, but it will be clear to you by the end of this tutorial, trust me. Now let's try to make a program which asks me the radius of a circle and then it calculates me the area and circumference. So let's start now. Printf, tell me the radius of a circle, and it stores my answer in the variable r, and then it prints the area and prints the circumference. Return 0. Calculation will be performed in a function which I am calling here. It will take it needs the following parameters. This function needs the following parameters. It needs the radius, which will be input through the keyboard. This program will wait for the user to enter any number, and it needs, first of all, I introduce here my integer variables, my radius and area and circumference. Now it wants my value of r, and it wants my address of area and address of C. Here ampersand indicates the address. Now why is it so? It will be clear to you in a moment. Now I am defining my function here in circle, and this radius contains the value of r, this pointer contains the value which a has. Only a contains ampersand a, the address of a, while static a knows the value which a has. Likewise, int static circumference knows the value what C has. Right now the C and A, right now the A and C contain any garbage values because A and C are not calculated right now. Now we know that area is equal to pi r square and our circumference is 2 pi r. Return 0, and here will be static area and static circumference. Why is it so? Because this area knows the address of A. Okay, this area knows the address of A, and area will go to A and knock its door. Hey A, I know your address and I have come within a static, therefore I have the power to change your value as well. Similarly, circumference knows the address of C, and it will knock the C door and tell him that I have come within a static, and hello C, I have the power to change your value. And what will be the value? This will be the value which will be stored in C, and this will be the value which will be stored in A. Oh, there should have come ampersand because we know scanf, we use always ampersand here, and we should use float here because our area is in float C3.142, and so is here. So I should use %f here as well and %f here as well, and change it to float circumference area. Let's try to run this program now. Yes, before running it, I clear it here that without really returning any value, it has changed the value of A and C. See, it is clear now that I didn't return it like return A and then return C, because we cannot return more than one value in a function. So we didn't any return value, we just dereferenced using dereferencing technique, using pointers, without returning any variable, without returning any value. We got our answers. Let's try to run this program now. Tell me the radius of circle is 2. Okay, wait a second. /n, brilliant run. See you next time. Hope it is clear. Allah Hafiz.